Morning, everybody. May sakit man akong Inday Jenny. Uy, labad daw yung kanyang ulo. Brush na teeth. Where's your toothpaste? Here.
Toothpaste.
Here. Okay, anak. You need to buy new one.
Why didn't you get in Morrison's?
I forgot. You didn't tell me.
Because I didn't know.
Here you go.
Dun, 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 dun.
Agoy, it's on the floor. Okay, brush it. Brush it properly, okay? Wala pa rin kaming balita sa bunsong kapatid ni Wayne na namatay. Iwan ko kung kailan siya ilibing. I think nasa freeze pa rin siya at wala pa siyang service pa na. Kung kailan siya ilibing, sabi ni Wayne pag ilibing na mag-ano na lang daw siya, mag-absent na lang daw siya sa work. So, ay natanggap naman na ni Wayne dati pa na mawawala na talaga siya. Pero ngayon, wala. Nagtrabaho na si Wayne ngayon at inaano na lang niya, kina-convert niya lang yung kanyang iniisip na nandito kami. Kanina nga ang aga niya naghawak sa aking tiyan. Nag-message siya na habang tulog daw ako, gumagalaw daw yung baby sa aking tiyan. So ito dito, hindi ko pa na-pack yung aking mga hospital things. I think kailangan ko na yung i-pack soon dahil kunti na lang jud guys. Ha? You're done? Okay. Ihakbat ko muna to si Inday. Asa na ba yung kanyang towel? Towel ni JJ. Cardigan. What song is that? One Little Man.
The flying saucer, then they flew away.
Oh, shoes. Tapos maglagay lang ako nitong cream. Ayan yung aking cream sa aking mukha.
Well, what cream?
The Nivea cream moisturizer for mommy's face. Para hindi mag-dry, anak. Kailangan ko yung i-finalize mamaya. Ikuan ko yan. Lansahin. Whose ulo? Whose ulo that? Bo.
Hello.
Napatalig. Agoy, suhat anak. Ano kayang gamot nito, no? What's that taliging, be? Yeah?
I will do my tight stuff after you make my hair.
Okay. What's that taliging? Sige na kay we drop JJ. You need to fix your collar. Ha? Yeah, yung leggings. Si Jenny kay nagsakit. Wala siya sa mood today, no? Your sister is sick.
Sasha.
What? Can we see your gums? Is it okay na? And then? Yeah? Oh yeah, it's gone. Can we see? Oh, it's not swollen anymore. Nagle-leggings si Inday.
Leggings.
Leggings on. Madali na lang man to sila alagaan kay marunong na mag-alaga sa kanilang sarili.
Hey, Daddy.
She's sleeping.
How you gonna carry her in the car?
She's gonna walk.
But she's sleeping.
No, we have to wake her up. She's waiting for you. Still early, nak. And eat it. Oopsie. It's gonna be in year. What's the next year?
3.
3? So you'll be in the big class?
In the tall building.
Yeah, in the big one, the new one. Next year. This coming September.
And 5 more months.
What? 5 more months.
I think. No, let me. 4 months is it?
April. May?
6 more months.
Is it?
A 4 is 5.
That is a belly. Kuyawo, uy, ang laki na. Malapit na pumutok. Si Inday, Badaday. Let's go na lang. With your sister na. Oh, grabe, bay. Ang tulis-tulis, bay. Sino ang nandito sa tiyan, bay? Ayan, gumagalaw si tiyan. It's a bit cold. It's really cold.
No, you said little. Day. Come.
Jessica, get your bag, please. Where's your bag? Get your bag inside, please. Si Jenny, inano ko na lang siya. Anything. Medyo malamig pa naman. Yes? Was it raining yesterday?
Yeah.
Do you think?
Yeah.
Oh, it's moist. It's because it's too cold.
No, I think you sprayed it yesterday. That's why it's wet.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Right. Is it ice?
Yeah.
Atid muna tayo sa ating estudyante. Ang hirap na ang laki na kasi ng aking tiyan.
Water.
Water.
Leopard bottle. Leopard bottle.
Let's go na lang.
It always do this. No, it's always do
Dan? Sa day, Jenny. Dan, tak lang. Jenny, dan. Ito. Kawawa naman itong bata, nagkasakit man. Ha?
my bag.
You want your bag? Oh, not that. Put it there in the
No.
side. It's hard for you to do that. You ready to go home? Ika-backpack pa yan siya, uy. Okay, mommy will drag you. Or you can do it. Ha? Me? Mommy? Si Jessica nandun na sa school. Jenny na lang. Ipapatulog ko to pagdating sa bahay. You bringing your bag there? You okay? Kaluoy akong bata. Nasakit man ang bata ni mommy. Taas na yung hair niya. Your hair is long now. Hmm? You okay? Yeah? Andito na kami. May nagsabi sa akin pag mag-reverse daw ako, dapat hinahinay lang. Meron namang camera dito, then ako tumitingin. Kaya baka daw malahos sa ano? Malahos daw. Doon sa bahay. Hindi naman malahos. O Jenny, transfer ko dahil ito aking kuan stand. Transfer ko dito. Diyan. Parang mas maganda na posisyon dito. Ay, hindi na siya dumidikit. Oh, mas maganda nga dyan. Oh. Lang no. That's okay there, nak no. Mommy's face not so big. Where Jenny? Ay, hindi man makita si Inday Jenny. Yung cellphone dito. Yeah? What is it? Take your seatbelt. Hindi na ka marunong mag-take sa imong seatbelt. Thank you. Are you leaving your bag here? Yeah? Put it in the middle then. Iwanan namin yan lahat sa loob. Oh, you forgot your shoes. Can you take it? We have to wash it, yeah? Buti hindi ninakaw, anak. You okay now? Drink a lot of water, okay? And not too much iPad. So that your head won't ache again.
Mommy,
Yeah?
my head was because I sit down in my chair.
Really?
Yeah.
Na ng balde inyong inday. Dito namin nilalagay yung aming mga recycle. Tapos, hinihinay-hinay namin nilagay dyan. Ito na yung aming mga prutas. Prutas ni Inday Eljen at ni Wayne. Ano to siya? Pear. Ang daming bulaklak ng aming pear. Ang aming peach din. Ang peach, ang maganda yung bulaklak kasi pink. Pink siya. Ito cherry. Puti itong cherry. Ayan oh. I hope mabuo yung cherry no. Para madami tayong makain na cherry. Pero ito yung pinaka maganda oh. Nag-bloom na siya. Ano yan? Plum. Bili yan ni Wayne. Yung plum. Iwan ko yung apple ko kung nagbulaklak ba ito. Ay, meron din siyang bulaklak. Ang aking apple. Pero hindi ganun kadami. Ang aking lemon, nandun, hindi talaga siya namatay. Ay. Ayan, oh, merong isa. May isa, pero hindi naman ata mabubuo yan. May isang lemon. At ang aking blueberry. Ito lang. Yan lang yung kanyang bulak. Ang ganda ng formation na to, oh. Sabi ni Wayne, ang ganda na daw nito. Maganda to siya pag wala na sapat kay mag-grow kasi to sila medyo mag-ano ba parang kahoy na malaki. Ito wala pa silang mga leaves. Cycle lang ako nito para hindi na ito mapuno. Nag-ano na talaga kami, nag-decide na kami na magkuha ng ganito dahil binabayaran namin yan monthly yung aming basura. 140 pound ata. Council tax. Hindi ako sure basta medyo mahal siya. Kaya si Wayne nag-decide na gamitin namin. Dati siya kasi yung nagdadala nito sa kanyang work. Dinapon ko na to kay nilagyan ko ba naman ng warm water. Nasira yung kanyang water bottle. Okay na yan. Kaya nabili kami ng bagong water bottle nila Inday. Oh! Sakit yung aking likod ba?
It's Karen's kids.
Karen's kids is in school. In JJ's school.
Oh.
Are you feeling better? Are you gonna eat rice and beef later when we come home?
Yeah.
Yeah? So that is your headache still aching? Your head? No? No? Pa-summer na talaga tayo, nak. Kasi it's sunny now. Kadami kong abubot. Uy, nagdala-dala pa ako ng jacket kasi akala ko tawag nito. Hot? Akala ko sobrang lamig. Yay! Pa-summer na tayo. Si Inday ninyo. Hindi na mabubuang. May balita na anong tawag dito sa balita, ang problema ng mga British dito is yung winter time. Madami ang nagpapakamatay dahil hindi nila kaya yung sorry, your seatbelt. Yung yung weather na sobrang lamig. It's warm, anak mo. Gusto niya nang kunin si JJ. Anong oras pa ba? 1. Uy. Hoy. It's still 1:45, anak. Oh no.
What?
The time change. 2:45 na sa phone dito sa sasakyan. Hindi kasi siya automatic nag-change. Nag-ano na naman kami. Nag-advance na kami ng isang oras. Yes?
We are late.
No, we're not late. 2:45. Kay kagabi, imbis na 1 o'clock, pagka 1 o'clock, diretso siya nag 2 o'clock. So, Advance na naman kami ng 1 oras. Pag winter is late kami ng 1 oras. Imbis na mag 1 o'clock, babalik siya sa 12 o'clock. Diba? Ganyan yung clock nila dito, nag-iiba-iba. Dito sa aming sasakyan, ano pa lang? 1:46. 1:46 pa talaga sana ngayon na oras. Kung i-base sa winter. Pero pa summer na kasi tayo, spring na dito. Summer begins naman yung sinabi dito sa calendar. Oy, si Jenny, oy, kawawa naman ang aking inday. Minsan talaga ba, nasa huli yung ating pagsisisi as nanay. Okay, let's go na anak. You okay? Yeah? Where are you? I cannot see you lagi. Hmm? Can I see you now? Do you want the roof open? I know. Ayaw niya open. Ha? You like it close? Okay. Tara na, sunduin ko muna si Jessica saglit. Yeah? Okay. You like it open? King camera, kailangan ng bagong tape. Kaya matutumba na naman ito. You like the air? Yeah? Uy, nagbag maning bata. Agoy. Nagbag ikaw? Oy, so. Like your bag? Yeah? Naka-red tayo today na. You and mommy. Hindi ko ginawa yung kanyang buhok dahil masakit nga yung kanyang ulo. Nagsisi ako ba? Kay bakit? Kahapon, pinaliguan ko sila. Sometimes ang ating pagsisisi as a nanay ba, nahuhuli. Hindi ko sana sila paliguan. Kaso nag-request. Tapos pagkatapos ko silang paliguan is naglaro sa labas, nagwashing kami ng sasakyan kasama yung kanilang daddy at pinakain ng ice cream. Sometimes magsisisi tayo sa ating mga desisyon na nasa huli na dapat sana nag-careful ako, kaya siya nagkasakit. Kaya hindi man nag-careful ang kanyang mother. Kahanina pa yan siya nagreklamo, sakit daw yung kanyang ulo. Labad siguro yung ulo niya. Si Way natawa sa akin. Sinindan ko sa aking parking na hala oy, na short. Yeah? Where you go? That side or this side? Ha? There's a what? Bird, come on then. Come. Dili na. Are you pushing it? Ang parking ni Inday ninyo, bahala na yan, oy. Wala bitaw na masagalit sa akin. As long as nawala doon sa isang side. Wala naman akong na-block. Kapuya na ako mag-reverse. Aba, ang line nasa ilalim ng isang floor. Dapat sana yung line is nasa ano talaga yan siya, middle. Kapuya na ako mag-reverse, eh. Bahala na yan. Maaga pa man kami ni Inday. Kaya ay 15 minutes early kami ni Inday Jennifer. Nak, we're too early anak. Maghinay-hinay lang, talakaw nak. Let's just walk slowly anak. Grabe, ang lamig pa din ng hangin. Pero yung mga British bitaw, nagtatanggal na sila ng mga jacket. Mainit na ito para sa kanila. Kita nyo yung mga mukha nila. Pag ganito, na-stress yan sila. Wait sa lang, I need to check the car nak. I think I forgot to lock it. Patay, ang layo na. Amin, di ko makita. Sorry. Where is it? I can't see it. Glock siguro yun ay. Let's go. Ganda ng kuan. Ganda ng ganito oh. Sky blue sky. You wanna sit inside? Get your bag. Get your bag then. Come on. Ganito ka-secure yung kanilang school. Daming gate. Sit inside.
Yeah.
You can't go inside. We're not allowed. Stricto sila dito. Hindi ka basta-basta makapasok sa classroom.
Hi, Mommy. Hello.
Wow!
I want to.
Because only
That's what big for that.
when you go to school, you are allowed to go in.
No, that's kiddies. Not touching it. You go big toilet.
Daladala tawon siya ng bata. Luoy man akong bata, oy. Nagsisi man na ang mama, oy. Ipakaon ko ng ice cream, pinaliguan. Sensitive sila, yes?
Mommy not here to go in the school.
They don't allow it, anak. We cannot go inside the school. It's not like Philippines. We can go in there. Inside. They're very strict. Only the people, the pupils that study here. When you go to school, you are allowed to go in then. Soon, you'll be going school soon. You excited? Huh? Sometimes ba, may mga maling desisyon tayong nagagawa. Paliguan ko lang to, okay lang to, kain ng ice cream, okay lang, mabasa ang ulo. Nabasa kasi yan siya kahapon dahil nag-spray kami sa sasakyan. Nandito pa yung kanyang puti na buhok. Tapos yun na, pagkakagabihan, natulog sila ng maaga ni JJ. Nagsakit na siya. Ano na daw yung kanyang ulo? Kaluoy naman ni Inday. Kiss ko, mama, babe. Smell good mo na ang hair, oy. Lalo na pagkuan. Yung medyo malamig pa kasi kahapon. Ako naman, okay lang, okay lang. Kasi may init. Okay, naging kuan noon. Masama kay Jenny. Luoy kayo pag ang bata magkasakit. Naawa ako dahil ayaw niyang kumain. Normally, pag okay yan siya, dami niyang gustong kainin. Mami, hungry. Ngayon, hindi talaga nag-krami na hungry sila. Wala, ang kinain niya lang, grapes at saka tubig. You wanna drink your water? Yeah, cute ba yan na imong water bottle, oh? Unicorn. Siya, tita. Dinala niya to kay pakita niya daw sa friend niya. Yummy? Big naman si Jenny. Uy, meron siyang free course. Kanyang mukha. Ano siya? Kaya siya niway ng kabataan. Ang daming free course. Let's go get na, JJ. Is it time na? Stricto kayo sila dito. Bawal ka pasok sa school. Doon bitaw sa aking tinuruan. Anytime, pwede pumasok yung mama. Basta wag lang palagi mag-video-video. Sabi ko kay Wayne, I can't be bothered fixing. Can't be bothered reversing. Papa, yung mag-reverse na sakyan. Okay, we'll go get the now.
Yeah.
Ang pagsisisi ni Mami na sa huli. I hope magiging okay na to siya. Magiging normal na ito siya. Are you eating later, okay? Yeah? We'll cook rice. At magano ako yung beef na adobo. Gustong-gusto ni Wayne. Yan lang yung kinakain niya. At itong mga bata, mga adobo, mga chicken, mga sinabawan silang. Agay lang.
Get away.
Let's go. Get JJ. Did you hug JJ? Did you hug? Wow, good job. You drink a lot of water. Shall we put it in the side of your bag? What did you do today? Let's go now?
I didn't really do lots of stuff.
No? Okay, let's go.
We was just doing math.
Oh, you were doing math? Yeah, did you enjoy your day though?
There's it's like a question. You know, like in my maps, how they do it in my map?
Yeah?
That is the one that I done.
Really? Did you like it? Okay, let's go. Your shoes, oh, is guba na. Shall we buy new ones soon? Nagpanit, nag-peel off. Naman inyong mommy, oy. Is guba na lang. This one, mommy's thing is guba. Where shall I throw it?
Can I have it?
Yeah? Want it? Give it to JJ, love. Wanna take your jacket, Jenny?
Wow, it's double size. No.
Just gonna put my jacket there, okay?
I put my
It's too warm. Put yours there.
Summer.
Yes. No, not that one. I'm gonna throw this one because it's not working anymore. Hey! Ako.
It was full.
Ha?
It was
Nakahubad-hubad naman ako. Uy, nahubad naman ito aking leggings. Are we going? Hey, hinihingal na si mami, good nak. Imagine no, kung hindi ako nakapasa ng aking exam, unsaon ko na lang, paglakad. Sobrang layo, tapos ang bigat ng tiyan. Kahit nga maghugas ako ng plato, grabe nakakuan sa akin, sobra na. What are you doing?
Why the lady shout at us?
Who's lady?
The one in the bike. Why she shout?
Oh, that one.
Yeah, why she shout?
I don't know, why did she shout last time? The one who said stupid?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know why she shouted last time. Who want this one?
But Jenny already had one.
Here you go. I drop it. Get it later then.
Actually, I don't want.
Tinitrain ko sila na yung magkuha sa kanilang bagay. Hindi pwede ako na lang always. Jenny, get your bag here.
She doesn't have a bag.
There.
You buy one?
I think Ate only give it to her.
Yeah, she did.
You have to do it every day, okay? Like that, get your bag because when baby's here, mommy cannot do it all for you. Oh, pumasok na. Daming kuti. Uy, nakahubad-hubad naman ako. Uy, kunin ko lang itong pee. Pee! Iwan ko kung kailan ito. Hanggang kailan ko yan gagamitin. Kainit. Kalimusong na mukha ni Inday Iljin. Ika. Diyan na muna yan, be. Nakahubad-hubad na ako, oh. Ang aking ganito, natanggal yung dito. Magluto muna ako kay nagmarinate na ako kanina ng beef. Beef rice na lang yung lulutuin ko. Ano yung hapunan nila, eh. Ay ka. Ayan, oh. Beef na marinate ni Inday. Anuhin ko lang yung aking buhok. Ay katabunan ko muna. Baka pumunta dyan sa ating luluto. Kainit sa kalibutan. Yan, pag walang init, maglikramong malamig. Pag malamig, maglikramong gusto ng init. Saan naman? Pag walang ulan, gusto mag-ulan. Ay, teka. Itong aking buhok, sobrang haba na. Okay. Magtanggal na yung sapatos. Arrange ko muna ito dito saglit kay para magdiagi-ag bagyo, oy. Ang dalawa wala na. Nandun na sa kanilang iPad. iPad is life. Yeah? Okay. Ito, dinadasok lang namin to dito. Ay. My cellphone. Si Wayne nagmensahe. Wala na kaming ahos ba na? Tatlo na lang ito. Masarap sana yung adobo pag maraming ahos. Damihan ko na lang ng ganun ang onion. Luto na si Mrs. Loles. Kay ang ating mga batos, gutom na yan. I hope kakain sila nito. Mapili kasi itong mga bata na ito, eh. Ang hirap nilang pakainin. Sobrang mapili. Luto na ang pagkain ni Wayne. Iwan ko kung ano yung lasa nito. Beef lang with rice.